Smell like gelato. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there?
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be village trip day 2. Right now it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Mama woke me up to ask me a question. As per usual, you can't wake me up to ask me a question because I'm automatically gonna get up. But she's over there. Where are you? Oh, she's exercising. And if she woke me earlier, I would be exercising too, y'all. Because you know we gotta stay fit. But breakfast is about to start. They're cutting up fruits right now. I'm gonna show you guys that in a bit. But I just wanted to start off the vlog for y'all. Everyone else is sleeping.
You give me butterflies every time I see you. Stay around, what's the odds that you love me? You give me butterflies every time I see you. You, the one that saved me from my nightmares. I'm finna run it up, getting this money. Shout it to the high life, living in the furnace, sliding for a while. Lean to the honey, bet high when odds are tryna stack my hundreds. Turn up with no question, she about that money, yeah. Gonna keep it coming, throw it, no discussion, yeah. Can't pipe down, gotta turn up on them, yeah. Cause talk is cheap, she about that action, time is money, yeah. I'm finna run it up, I found my loophole. You can save your ego, I still speak that lingo, I know. Without a doubt, that you might ride it out. We in it way too deep right now, no way to turn around. You feeling lost, nowhere to go. Oh, I know, yeah. You really hurt right now in the show. Oh, I know, yeah. Oh, I guess you know. Cool like a light, you turn me on. You hear me now? Can you see me?
Hi guys, so it's after breakfast right now and I'm just watching YouTube when I really should be working on my assignment that I was supposed to do before I left for this trip, but I didn't. Well, I started, so that's good. But I'm just gonna finish watch this like one YouTube video and then I'm gonna work on my assignment, and then I think we're gonna go to the beach today. I don't know.
Now I was just thinking of this. It's funny how you always say that I don't pick up my...
Okay guys, so I've moved back inside the room. I was outside on the balcony doing my assignment, but I have 104 more words to write to reach like the minimum word limit, but I kind of don't know what else to write at the moment, so I'll do some research later on. But for right now, it's 12 o'clock and we're going to the beach at 2, so I'm probably gonna go down to the pool for like an hour before we go to the beach. I don't know. I'm gonna go downstairs to get something to drink though. I think I'm gonna get a Malta, but I'm gonna go downstairs to the kitchen. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're going to the beach. Okay guys, so we're going over to the gas station to get icicles. We were going over there, but they don't have any ice cream over there, so I have to go over to the mini market. Okay guys, we're back to the villa. I'm gonna put my icicle in the freezer, because I'm not ready for it as yet. Okay guys, I'm going in the pool. There was a lizard on the pool chair that I was about to lay down on, and I'm deathly afraid of lizards. I'll go back upstairs. No, I'm not going back upstairs. I'm going to the pool. But let's not mess with the pool chair there.
I've been down, low on my luck, taking every shot, but I can't give up. Oh, I can't see too far ahead. The light in my soul after I got my head, and maybe all the bricks were falling down to pave my way to a brighter day. And lately I've been music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lights, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor.
are in the jacuzzi. The bubbles hasn't started yet because it's still warming up, but it's pretty warm. Hopefully you guys can hear us because there's music playing in the background. But me and mommy just chilling in the jacuzzi.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave.
Okay guys, so I've done my final swimming for the night. I'm gonna take a shower and get some dinner. It's 11:39 right now. Probably not gonna go to sleep till after 12. Let's go get some dinner.
We're saying things and we're barely talking. Tiptoeing, ain't doing no walking. Oh, now we be saying things, we saying things, we saying things and we barely talking. You be tiptoeing, ain't doing no walking.
Okay guys, we're cleaning up to leave. I'm gonna take a shower.
We saying things, we saying things, we saying things, just to hear the words that we say. Oh, babe, you'll see it as they write it up ahead and call it ancient history.
Okay guys, we're officially leaving. Got the duffel, got the tote. Mommy has her duffel and her tote. We're going down the stairs. Say bye to the room, Mommy.
The way I live down the street from your past, gonna rewrite that tape. The windows where I sit and let my mind go. I'm moving slowly, not on the road. Now so detached from all that I know, stuck in a memory that's not just my own. Crumbles that you left out. No, why you gotta go all in?
As you tell time, sing Jesus' name and pray.
Amen. We are leaving. we've made it home, and this is the end of today's video. I had a really fun time on my trip. Make sure you watch all other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.